Guys, if your Facebook account is hacked or you have just forgotten your Facebook password and you no longer have access to the phone number or the email address linked with your account, furthermore, when you are trying to recover your account, you are not getting an option of no longer have access to this. Then don't worry guys, because in this video, I will show you how to get that option in your account and then proceed to the recovery process. I'm gonna show you everything with live proof in this video, so guys stay connected till end. And guys, this is Asim Arif, and without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly guys, I request you all to watch this video till the end because very important points are discussed in this video for gaining access to your Facebook account. As you all know that nowadays people are not getting an option of no longer have access to these. And I discussed why this is happening, so if you love your account and you really want to get it back, then stay connected till the end. So let's get started now. Firstly, go to any browser installed in your device. Okay, like I'm gonna use the Mint browser here. So let's open it and then go to facebook.com. Okay, if you are watching this video in the case that you just forgot your password but still you know the email address or the phone number linked with your account, then simply enter that email or phone number here to search your account. But let's say your account was hacked and you don't know the new contact details listed in your account. Then in that situation, you have to log in any other Facebook account and then in the search bar, try to find your account with your full name. Like this, in my case, the name of the account is Titi Das. So I will search it here, and after finding your account, simply tap on these three dots and select copy link to profile. That's it. Now we will go back to our browser and in place of email, we will paste this link. And remove everything before equal sign, including equal sign as well. And we just need this numeric ID. Moving on, now in the place of password, type anything and tab on login. Then you will see this error. Did you forget your password? Simply tap on it. And then here you can see guys, we have successfully found our account. Now simply tap on try another way. Now this is the problem faced by most of the Facebook users, that they don't see anything titled no longer have access to this. It means Facebook is unable to detect that you are the real owner of the account. Now the question arises, what can we do to make Facebook believe that we are the real owner? For this you need to follow the 3-step model. Step number 1. You need to use the same device which you were using for the past 1 to 2 months to log into your account. Okay. Step number 2. Your location should be same, means don't use any kind of VPN during the recovery process. And step number 3, most importantly, the browser should be same which you used for the past 1 to 2 months approx to log into your account. And I really like this security system provided by Facebook because in online system security is the first preference. Okay, anyways, here I was using the same device and the same location, but my browser was different. So now I need to switch to the Chrome browser because I mostly use that to log into this account. And now here I will go to facebook.com and we'll repeat the same steps that we did earlier. Like we will paste the numeric ID here and then anything in the place of password and then login. Now tab on did you forget your password. Then try another way. And boom guys, you can now see finally we got something that will lead to the recovery process. I mean, we got the option titled no longer have access to these. Now simply tab on it. And then you're gonna see this page. Now simply tab on start. Now this is a very important step. Here you have to enter a new email address that is not linked with any Facebook account. So you will need to create a new fresh email address. You can use any of your favorite email service providers like Gmail, Hotmail, etc. It totally depends on you. So I'm gonna enter my newly created Gmail here. And guys, please note down this email address. It's freecovery812@gmail.com. I'm asking you to note down this email because it will help you to judge that the video is real. Okay, so after setting the new email address, we are gonna get the verification code from Facebook. So let's go to Gmail. Let me refresh the page to see if I get the email. Okay, here it is. Let's copy this code. Now I will go back to my recovery page and we will paste the code here. And then tab on confirm. And then you're gonna see this page. Here you have to prove your identity using your government issued documents. You can use your national ID card, passport, or driving license. These three are the most preferred documents. Okay, now here enter your full name as listed in your Facebook account. And one important thing guys, the document that you are going to upload here must also have the same name and the date of birth as mentioned in your Facebook account. Otherwise your document will be rejected and you will not get your account back. Okay, now tab and choose file. And also here there is one more thing that should be considered is always capture a new fresh picture whenever you are dealing with the recovery process. So here I'm capturing a fresh picture of the government issued ID card, and make sure there is a proper lighting, the corners are not cut, and everything can be read clearly, especially your name and the date of birth. So let's capture the picture here, and after attaching the picture, scroll all the way down and tab on send. That's it. Then you will see this page saying thank you for submitting your ID to Facebook. And don't skip the video guys, because it's not finished yet. I want to show you the live recovery proof as can be seen in the thumbnail. So I'm gonna pause the video here and we'll be back when I will receive the confirmation email from Facebook. So stay tuned, I will be back after some time. Guys, I'm back after approx 6 minutes and here you can see I just got an email. So let's go to Gmail now. And I want to remind you one thing, that it's not necessary to have that quick reply from Facebook like I got. In some cases it can take up to 48 hours or some days to get response from Facebook team. So you have to keep patience. Okay, here I'm refreshing the email list, and also you can verify that it is the same email that we used during the recovery process. And this is the email we received, so let's open it. And here you can see it is received a minute ago. And here you can read, hi Titi, thanks for confirming your identity to get you back on Facebook and blah blah blah. Just ignore this message, scroll down and tab on reset password. And I want to remind you one thing, that this reset password option can only be used once. So after clicking on this option, never tab on the back option, otherwise you will need to follow the whole steps. Okay, so after setting a new strong password of your own choice, tab on reset, then tab on get started, and then you will need to wait for some time here, and after that you are gonna see this page. Now simply follow the steps shown on the screen accordingly. Okay, now tab on continue, then continue again, then go to newsfeed. And guys, you can see we are finally back to Facebook after following all the steps properly. And now let's go to settings for further confirmation. So I will go to settings here. Here are the settings. Let's go to personal details. It is the same email address freecovery812@gmail.com that we used during the recovery process. Okay, so guys, this was all about today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next one. Till that, goodbye. Till that, goodbye.